Okay guys, I'm here and already just my review, and well, today I'm gonna give a try to a machine I just got on Amazon. And take a look, I have to do a lot of repairs here. Basically I have to sand, fix some bad peeling paint over here, and you know I got some patches here already. So I get a sander to remove basically all that kind of stuff. You know, I got some patches right there. Also, I got some patches right there. So I got this guy over here. I got this guy on Amazon, and it's an electric drywall sander. So let's take this guy out. Okay, we got the tubes basically right here. I got all the stuff basically I need. We got some gloves in there, another connector, and basically we got this bad boy here. So wow, take a look at this, guys, and I'm gonna see how good is this. You know, it got the hose basically to basically as a vacuum to vacuum all the dust. So let's see what else we got in here. Basically this is the bag we're gonna use to put this away. And nice, we got a few 180s, 240s. That's cool. Super cool. I got some 100s. What else we got in here? We got another 100. And you know what? Let's check it out with this 100 right here. So let me see. This is more than the metal. Basically the metal sand stuff, and this one is the regular paper. And let's see, the good thing is this is sticky, so we have to line it up this with the holes. And let's take a look, see how this thing goes. And we got two in here. So we got this guy right there, and let's line it up this. Okay, I line it up this one, and okay, let's go and check it out how this thing works. Let's gonna plug this. Now we got an extension right there. Let's connect these guys. Okay, now we have basically to attach this guy over there, and let's see what else. Then we put this extension over here. So right over here we are going to use that hose, and I'm gonna connect it to my vacuum and see how this guy works. Also, this is basically the filter where you plug this right here, and you know you can have all the dust coming in here. If you don't want to use a vacuum, if you don't have a vacuum, you can use this one. Okay, now we got this one, and we're gonna snap this guy inside of here. So now we are going to connect this to the vacuum. So I found this little attachment inside the box, and this one we're gonna connect it like that, and we're gonna push it inside this tube, right? Just like that. So basically this guy is ready to pop up. So let's see if I can get this guy to work in that room, just for a demonstration. Let me see if we can have this to work in here. And it's not bad. Let's see. Yeah. And let's see how this guy works. Okay, this one is plugged, so you guys not gonna hear my voice. We're gonna have this guy running, and let's do this. Okay, so we got this ready. I got 100% over here. And wow. Okay, you guys not gonna hear my voice? This is amazing. Wow, look at this. Even this peeling paint, you fix it in 2 seconds. I gotta retouch a little bit right over here. But this area is basically super quick. Wow. Yeah, I get, like I told you guys, I get this in Amazon, this nice thing, this sander. So as you guys see, it's no dust. Basically the vacuum sucks everything, and this is 100. And the I love this thing. I'm gonna put the links down below for this product so you guys can have it. You got a different, oh, look at this, whoa. Okay, let's take a little more right here. Wow, take a look. This is insane. I'm gonna be honest with you. Wow. You know, for this kind of machine, 100 doing this is super nice. And even right here, it's making it smooth. You know, this one, of course, is not made to remove paint, but making it soft. Then I gotta patch this. Basically, I gotta patch all this area, but so far, this is amazing. I love it. Wow, it's gonna be a 2 seconds to do this. So, guys, well, there you have it. I'm gonna put the list down below of this machine. I get it in Amazon, so check it out. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Help me out, share the video, and subscribe. See you guys later in another Just My Review. Bye bye.